The Biosphere by Mary K. Carson. A living planet. If we were traveling in a spaceship through Earth's neighborhood, you would notice three similar-sized planets, but a closer look at Venus, Earth, and Mars would reveal very different worlds. While Venus is too hot and Mars too cold, Earth's temperature is just right for life. Earth is a world covered in life thanks to its just right distance from the sun, plentiful water, breathable air, and nourishing land. The thin layer around Earth where life exists is called the biosphere. It includes all of Earth's life forms, as well as the water, air, rock, and soil they depend on. But the biosphere is more than a collection of animals, plants, continents, and seas. It is a set of connected systems that recycle energy, water, even the stuff we are made of. The biosphere is a global ecosystem, the living part of our planet. What is life? The biosphere may be only a thin layer surrounding Earth, but it supports an amazing number of life forms. Earth is home to millions of different species or kinds of plants, animals, fungi, bacteria, and other organisms. Scientists continue to find new species, some in places once thought to be too cold, too hot, too deep, or too high for life to exist. It seems easy to recognize living from non-living things, but defining life isn't so easy. Scientists consider something to be alive if it does most of the following. Reproduces, grows, uses energy, reacts to its environment, moves, can regulate itself independently of its environment, and live in an environment suitable to it. Life needs energy. The sun makes life on Earth possible. Its energy fuels the biosphere. Photosynthesis is a process by which plants capture the sun's energy and make it available to other living things. During photosynthesis, plants absorb energy from sunlight and use it to convert water and carbon dioxide into food. Plants are only land organisms that can make food, a kind of chemical energy. Land animals must get the chemical energy they need to survive by eating plants, or animals that they eat plants. As herbivores eat plants and carnivores eat other animals, energy moves up the food chain. Life needs rock. Rock from the Earth's top layer or crust makes up the land where most air-breathing animals live. Rock also breaks down into one of the biosphere's key parts, soil. Most plants can't grow without the nutrients found in soil. Without nutrients in soil such as nitrogen, and phosphorus, plants cannot make food or produce oxygen. Life needs water. Earth's vast ocean makes it a blue-colored planet. Water is the most plentiful substance on Earth's surface, covering more than 2/3 or 71% of it. Water is essential to every organism. The chemical nutritions that fuel and build all life must be dissolved in water for plants and animals to use them. In fact, plants and animals are themselves made up of mostly water. Your body is about 70% water. Life needs air. Air is the mixture of gases that surrounds Earth. It is the atmosphere all plants and animals need to survive. Plants need the carbon dioxide and air for photosynthesis, and animals need the oxygen to breathe. You can survive for days without water and weeks without food, but only minutes without air. The atmosphere does more for life than provide air. Life couldn't exist at all without the atmosphere's upper layer of ozone. Ozone is a gas that blocks out deadly doses of the sun's ultraviolet rays. The ozone layer protects life on Earth. The atmosphere also affects Earth's temperature. Water, vapor, and carbon dioxide in the air help warm our world. These greenhouse gases trap some of the sun's energy that would otherwise escape into space. Without this greenhouse effect, Earth would be nearly 60 degrees cooler. Fewer forms of life could live in a world of that cool. While greenhouse gases keep Earth nicely warm, too high a concentration of them would make Earth too hot. Scientists believe that the present global warming trend has likely been caused by the increase of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere. Preserving the biosphere. Once every 10 years, world leaders meet to try to solve the planet's environmental problems. In 2002, for the first time, young delegates attended this meeting in the Earth Summit and addressed a group of 22,000 presidents, prime ministers, and other people from around the world. They spoke as representatives of your generation. You can work to preserve the biosphere too. Justin says, I love it when I see people at cleanups, not even knowing who other people are. We just work together to keep our air fresh, our water pure, and our ground clean. You can help too. Do something for the environment today.